right? You know what to do now? Go do it.
Go for it.
Remember the way back down. Sharp right.
Is there anything else up there other than
St. Francis.
any more the village up there?
The village is all down there.
Monastery? No, it's the church. It's on top of a mountain. So we can some walking here. Everybody's here again. Look at that. Alang grotto. That's all. Okay. Okay, let's go walk.
Gusto mo up first before going down?
No, up, let's go up. I want to see the first, the church, inside the church. And mga travelers.